Are you looking to change your country in the Google Play Store but not sure how? Well, you've clicked on the right video. Today I'm going to walk you through the steps to do just that, making sure you can access apps, games, and content not only available in your current region. So let's dive right in. Step 1. Open Google Play Store. But Google has certain restrictions on how often you can change your Play Store country. It's currently one per year. Also, you need to have a payment method corresponding to the new country. Tap on your profile, then tap on payments and subscriptions. Then tap on payment methods. Here, once you've added a payment method, tap on more payment settings. It will lead you to a different page. Here you can add a new payment method, but tap on the three dots at the top right corner, scroll down until you find settings. Here you can see addresses and more, tap on it, and here you can add your desired country. After you've changed your country, it can take up to 48 hours for the change to take effect. And that's pretty much it. Remember, these changes can affect your access to some apps and services. So consider the implications before you make the switch. I hope this guide helps you navigate changing your country in the Google Play Store with ease.